back to my channel. So we have lots and lots and lots of questions to solve. Okay, yeah. So we have past questions and their answers. All right. So I will be going through those questions, and then I will also go through the answers with you. Excuse me. Okay. So the first question says, so number one, for what value, okay, let me add to this. Let me add into this. If you are just joining, you are welcome. If you are just joining, you are welcome. So let us go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Trying to get a better view. Trying to get a better view. Okay. All right. So I think this is better. I think this is better. All right. So I think this is better now. Now the question says, for what value of x is the expression, for what value of x is the expression undefined? For what value of x is the expression undefined? And this is the expression y plus 2 divided by y squared minus 3y minus 10. Okay, so this is the question. This is the question. Now for the options, we have A, y is equal to 0. B, y is equal to 2. C, y is equal to 3. D, y is equal to 5. And E, okay, you cannot even see E. All right, so let me stop at D, believing that our answer is going to be from A to D. All right. Okay. Now, first things first, we need to understand what it means for an expression to be undefined. Now, for an expression to be undefined, it simply means that the denominator is 0. Remember that anytime you pick up your phone or your calculator and you type any number divided by 0, for example, 2 divided by 0, your calculator, you are going to get an undefined. Your calculator will say error, math error, okay? It means that the answer is undefined. It's undefined. So when they ask us, find what value of x is the expression undefined for this, they are indirectly asking us to make the denominator to be 0. What value of y, not really x, so what value of y, okay, will make the denominator to be equal to 0. And that simply means that we need to equate the denominator to be equal to 0 before we get the value of y that will make the expression to be 0. So as a result of that, this is what we will do. So we're going to equate y squared minus 3y minus 10 to be equal to 0. Now, after doing that, the next thing will be to factorize this, okay? So we need 2 factors of minus 10 that when we add them together, we will get minus 3. 2 factors of minus 10 that when we add them together, we will get minus 3. So the factors of minus 10 are definitely 2 and 5. These are the 2 factors that we can manipulate to get minus 3. Okay, so when you look at this now, you will notice that because we have negative 3, then the big number or the larger number should take the negative sign. All right. Now, hi, Jugu, you are welcome. Okay. All right. Now, we are going to make this to be 2 and minus 5. All right. So when we do that, we will have 2y squared plus 2y minus 5y, okay? Then minus 10 is equal to 0. Y squared plus 2y minus 5y is equal to 0. Because plus 2y minus 5y will give us minus 3y, and plus 2y times minus 5, okay, plus 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10. So we factorize, okay? So what does this and this have in common? What do they have in common? Y. So we bring out that y, all right? So we have y bracket, y squared divided by y will give us y, plus 2y divided by y will give us 2, okay? Then here we have minus 5 as common factor. Minus 5. Now when minus 5y is divided by minus 5, we have what? Y. Then when minus 10 is divided by minus 5, we have plus 2 is equal to 0. So here we can see y plus 2, y plus 2. So that's another common factor. So all we're going to do is to pick one of them. So we pick y plus 2 and we multiply it by y minus 5, the other one.